Welcome back programmers. In the today's section I'm gonna show you how you can create the like button in your website so user can like your post or your particular page. So how we are gonna do this, and for that first let's look at our site. So when I go in my first Chandler post, you can see there is a 0 like in here, but when I click on this button it is automatically gonna create the 1 like, and page isn't reload. I just created like without reload this page, without refresh this page. And for that, in the models.py I just created the post like equal to models.many to many fields. So let's look at our model. In here you can see this is the many to many field, and when I click on the particular user, so it is gonna select. So I can select many user at the same time. So when I click on the save, so it is gonna selected. So if the user is selected, it means user just did a like. HTML, you can see I just created form action equal to URL like post. I'm gonna do it later, and then I just pass the blog object ID, which is the that particular post, and in here you can see I just got the method equal to post and so on. So I just created the button submit and name equal to like value equal to blog object dot ID, and I just named it like. And in here you can see I am printing the like using the post like. So where is this post likes? So in the views.py, in here you can see post like equal to blog object dot post like dot count. That's how I am counting the all of the likes. But how I am saving that like? And for that I just created the function like post app. In the urls.py I just created the like post and slash like id. I just pass the like id and so on. So in the like post app blog object equal to blog post model dot objects dot get id equal to like id and so on. So blog obj dot post like dot add, I just use the add method to save this like. Request dot user means whatever user is logged in liked it and so on. So blog object dot save, and I am returning the HTTP response redirect. Now I know this is new for you, so I just use from django.urls import reverse slash the and reverse, and from django.shortcut import HTTP response redirect. In here you can see I am redirecting the HTTP response redirect, and in the parameter I just pass the reverse. Now I want to go in that particular post, so I just use the blog details and I just pass that blog id with args equal to str like id and so on. So for printing the like, I just told you user.objects.blog post model.objects.get id equal to id. So this is my blog object, and post likes equal to blog object.post likes.count means I'm just using the count function, and then I'm sending that count function in here post likes equal to post likes, and I'm printing in here. So that was the short video how you can create the like button. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.